Hi, welcome to the Borough of Sayreville Energy Aggregation educational video, brought to you by Commercial Utility Consultants. Commercial Utility Consultants was founded in 1975, and we have worked with over 10,000 clients, saving them over $2 billion on their energy costs. CUC utilizes an energy auction platform as well as a New Jersey municipal aggregation tracking platform specifically designed for aggregation programs. What is energy deregulation? Energy deregulation is the separation of distribution and supply. New Jersey has been deregulated since 1999, and since then, only 18% of the residential customer base has switched to a third-party supplier that they have chose. As depicted in the picture below, before 1999, JCP&L would generate electricity and bill for the supply and distribution portion of your bill. After 1999, JCP&L is only responsible for the distribution of your electricity. JCP&L must buy electricity from third-party electric suppliers. When JCP&L bills you, they will bill you for the distribution and supply portion of your bill and remit the supply portion to the suppliers that generated the electricity. In order to make up your JCP&L default rate, the Board of Public Utilities runs a statewide auction. They make up the basic generation service portion of your bill, which is also known as the supply portion of your bill. The last BPU auction for JCP&L was in February 2014. Here's a look at some of the suppliers who make up the current default rate: BP Energy Company, Exelon Generation Company, and TransCanada Power Marketing, to name a few. Currently, the October 2014 through May 2015 default price to compare is 0.10246 per kilowatt hour. What is Government Energy Aggregation? Government Energy Aggregation Act of 2003 was passed, allowing municipalities to aggregate their load and to compete against the default rate provided by JCP&L. In 2012, NJAC Title 14 was passed, allowing municipalities to aggregate the residential customers to compete for a cheaper price to compare compared to the JCP&L default rate. The Borough of Sayreville adopted their Government Energy Aggregation Ordinance on 4/28/2014. All bid documents and agreements are sent to the BPU and Rate Council for review prior to the energy auction. The DCA, or Department of Community Affairs, has oversight on the auction process. Here's a look at the Borough of Sayreville's auction results. The Borough of Sayreville competed against the Board of Public Utilities Basic Generation Service default rate. The auction was held on 7/9/2014. The winning supplier of the auction was Verde Energy, and the rate is 0.09709 per kilowatt hour. And the contract term is from 10/2014 through 9/2015. What can the Borough of Sayreville residents expect next? The initial opt-out period has started and will remain in effect until 8/31/2014. A mailer will be mailed to all residents explaining the program and the winning supplier price. There will also be opt-out instructions. CUC will also host educational meetings. The meeting location and dates will be posted on the Borough website. If you are a resident, you may opt out using the following methods. You may mail the opt-out form back to CUC at 430 Clements Bridge Road, Barrington, New Jersey, 08007. You may also visit us at www.njaggregation.us. You may call the CUC call center at 1-877-292-3904. You may also call the CUC office at 1-855-200-2648, or you can call JCP&L at 1-800-662-3115, or Verde Energy at 1-800-241-0295. Remember, residents can opt out at any time for any reason with no penalty. To opt out utilizing our website, please visit www.njaggregation.us. You may click on the residential opt-out and be prompted to enter in your utility and customer number. Once filling out the form, you will be opted out of the program. After the 30-day outreach and opt-out period, JCP&L will send residents a letter who have not opted out stating when Verde Energy will begin to supply the electric generation portion of your bill. Here is a look of the JCP&L letter that will be sent to you if you have not opted out. The supply for all residents will begin the first available meter read date after 10/1/2014. Once the residents have been switched to Verde Energy, you will receive one bill from JCP&L. Here is a sample bill from JCP&L. Notice the only line item that will change will be the basic generation service line item. This now will say Verde Energy. Here are some frequently asked questions. Who do I call if my electric goes out? You will still call JCP&L. JCP&L is still responsible and always will be responsible for the distribution lines entering your home. Will I be penalized if I do not become part of this program? No. You may opt out at any time for any reason with no penalty. Will there be a different or two separate bills? No. You will still receive one bill from JCP&L. Does this hurt JCP&L? No. JCP&L is always your distribution company. They will always remain your distribution company and only bill for distribution and supply. They will remit the supply portion to Verde Energy rather than the default suppliers. Who do I call with billing questions? You may call JCP&L, Verde Energy, or CUC. If I opt out, can I opt back in? Yes. You may opt out and opt in at any time for any reason. Is budget billing offered? Yes. If you are currently with JCP&L and enjoy budget billing, you can continue budget billing through this program. What if I already have a third-party electric supplier? If you're currently on a third-party supplier, you must wait till the end of your contract, and then you may opt into the program. Why do I have to opt out versus opting in? The opt-out option is an aspect of the program written by the BPU, not by the Borough of Sayreville or CUC. The law requires us to follow the statutory guidelines in order to establish and participate in this type of program. Thank you for watching, and to learn more, please visit us at www.njaggregation.us or call 1-855-200-2648. Thank you.